Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For today's video, we have an update for our peanut plant here. So ganito na yung status ng mani natin. More or less 1.5 month at kikita natin medyo green na yung part. Yung mother ko andyan uh, ginawa namin ang pwede namin gawin para makultivate siya and to remove some other weeds. Kung nakikita niyo ang daming weeds, oh. So ginuna namin yung mga weeds para makatubo yung mani. The peanut will grow freely until its harvest time. Yan. It has a flower and the roots. Ito yung magdala ng bagong peanut seeds. Yan. Yan. This kind of peanut, ito yung pula, the red one. So at this age, guys, meron na siyang insekto. This is the result of the insect bites, and there are lots of different types of insects here. Just like this one. And the yellow bug. The other one is the grasshopper, and the other one is this one. Ito yung kaniyang mga pest. Yan, tingnan nyo, they are so lovely, kaya you have to make a move how to prevent or how to minimize the occupation of this pest in our peanut. How lovely the flower besides. Yan. Ito yung nakasira sa kanyang dahon, and once the leaves is infected, then the roots and the peanut seeds inside will also be destroyed. Yes, it's very destroying pest na kailangang i-minimize. Yan. What are you doing there? Oh no. So yan ba muna guys. So that's all for today's video. I hope na mabigyan ko kayo ng konting informasyon. Ang dami kasing piste pag ganito ng stage ng mani, kaya kailangan ng mag-spray ng pesticide to minimize the occupation of this pest. Kaya siguro by next day, bago pa man namin lagyan ng next putting of fertilizer, kailangan after that mag-spray din tayo ng pesticides, kasi sa nakikita natin ang daming kind of pest na kailangan i-minimize sa tanim.